El Gato Rainbow and la Gata Moon. We don't want to distract Gato Rainbow. He's building a house of cards. He's been doing this all day. A soft breath of air can destroy everything he's done so far. But Gata Moon, what do you have there? Well, we see that you found one of your musical instruments, huh? And honestly, you're not bad at all playing it. It's a tuba, right? And when you blow on it, the air comes out really strong on this side. That's it. Huh? And Gato Rainbow has brought a triangle. That's great. Does this mean that the best band in the world is back? Guys, this is amazing! We can't wait to see your rehearsals. I'm sure you'll come up with some incredible songs. I hope you keep playing as good as you used to. Oh, but guys, what is going on? Okay, don't panic. What if we call someone to help you? Who is it? I'm so nervous. This is Classic Cat. He's Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon's favorite teacher, and his name comes from his great love for music. Have you noticed the musical notes on his tail? They're beautiful. Classic Cat knows a lot about music, and today he's going to explain something very important to you. Are you ready? We're going to learn the 3 families of instruments. On the one hand, we have the wind instruments, which are called like that because we have to blow to play them. Very good, the trumpet is a wind instrument. Then we have the string instruments, which are called like that because they have, you guessed it, strings. Exactly, the violin is a string instrument. And finally, we have percussion instruments, which are played by hitting them. Yes, the drum is a percussion instrument. Well guys, now you know much more about instruments. I think that with this and Classic Cat's musical talent, you can succeed again with your band. Let's review what we've learned today. There are 3 families of instruments: the wind instruments, the string instruments, and the percussion instruments. All of them are played differently, and with them we can create very cool melodies. This week we want to send a very special greeting to Tia Eat in Venezuela, who have told us that their patients and families enjoy our videos so much. Thank you for following us! And we also want to send a greeting to our subscriber Camila. Hi! And remember that if you want us to greet you in a video, you can ask for it in the comments of the tutorials or in the YouTube posts, since YouTube doesn't allow comments in videos for children like this one. See you next week! Bye!